Ideogram V4 just dropped its rates and it's already running inside Comfy UI. That means the model everyone's been paying API credits for, you can now run it 100% locally on your own GPU. And today we are putting it to the test. So before this video, I was actually not sure how to present how powerful that local ideogram is for Comfy UI users. So I think the best way to do that to demonstrate how strong it is to actually go to the Ideogram website. As you can see on the screen, we will just copy the prompt from any of these images that we see now, and let's run it locally. I think that's the best way to show how powerful that local model is. So I'm just going to choose a random image here, something with text, I guess. Yeah, so let's choose this card. Cool. So you see here prompt. That's not what we're going to use. Go to magic prompt, and I'm going to copy this, and we're going to run this in Comfy UI locally. Okay, so now we're back in Comfy UI. If we go to images, and if you sort by newest, at the time of this recording, this is actually the latest model there. Ideogram V4 text image, so click on that one. So this is that workflow. And you know that magic prompt that we copied from the Ideogram website? I think that's where we're going to put it. So on this, sorry, I'm just going to zoom out. Cool. So I think that was a portrait image. And just going to delete this and paste the magic prompt. I'm not going to change anything else. And I'm going to click on run. Yeah, let's see how long this takes. So that generation took around 46 seconds on my RTX 5090. So this is what was created. And guys, this is just insane. So let's take a look at this picture. Actually, let me see if I can go side by side. But this is what we generated, right? Take a hard look. And if we go to that, let me try to share this screen by screen. Sorry, that took a while, but this is the image. It's absolutely insane. The quality that we see on the website, on the Ideogram website, I think it's almost the same. It's not a carbon copy, it's not a one-to-one exact replication, but guys, it's so close. Let me know in the comments if you agree. It's insane. I am so blown away. Okay, let's see another sample. Maybe a different art style. Okay, let's try this one because it's a bit realistic. The previous sample was more of an illustration, a bit of a oil painting effect. So let's try this one. I'm gonna copy the magic prompt from the Ideogram website, and now I'm going back to Comfy UI, and I'm going to paste that prompt here. Okay, and I'm going to run. Okay, so that took around 35 seconds. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. So on the left is the Ideogram website. Let me try to see if I can zoom in. Okay, so there's this text here. Today's quest. Begin this day with gratitude. Thank your heart for beating, your breath for flowing, and your hands for creating. Pour love into every small thing you touch. And in our generation, today's quest. Begin this day with gratitude. Thank your heart for beating, your breath for flowing, and your hands for creating. Pour love into every small thing you touch. I am blown away again. It's almost the same quality. So this website, so this company Ideogram, they are making money from this, right? This is their livelihood, and they open sourced it, and people like me can run the exact same model from the comfort of my own PC. Thank you, Ideogram. It's so good, so good. So we're just gonna maybe choose 2 or 3 more samples. Let's go with a different art style than the first two. Oh, this one. So this is, wait, where's the magic prompt? I think there's only one prompt here. I'm gonna copy this and we're gonna go to comfy. Let me paste that here. I'm gonna click on run. So that took around 34 seconds. Wow, it's not bad. But I noticed the one on the left, the one from the actual Ideogram website, is a bit more finer. And I think it's because of this one. The aspect ratio is 1792 by 2240. And in our Comfy UI settings, actually, I'm not sure. It's just a typical 9.16. Let's bump it up to, I don't know, 5 megapixels. And let's make it widescreen. And let's run it again. Because we set it to 5 megapixels, instead of just taking 35 seconds, it took around 240 seconds. I guess that's around like 4 minutes, but the quality is pretty good. Oops, sorry. Let me open this in a new tab. Okay, where do it? Open image. Cool. It's gonna make it full screen. I'm gonna try and zoom in. Oh wow! Even the text is no, the spelling is wrong though. Queen to, oh no, it's right. Queen to champion. The floors. They're reflective. I cannot find any fault with this generation. Insane, guys, insane. So for this last test, we're gonna try out a logo. So I'm just gonna choose a random logo that I think I like. Let's try this one. And we'll copy the magic prompt. We'll go to Comfy UI, and I think we're just gonna make it 1 megapixel. And let's make it a square. I'm gonna copy and paste the prompt. I'm gonna hide my webcam so you guys see the actual image. Gonna press on run. So this is interesting. This is what we generated. If we go to the Ideogram website, I just copied the magic prompt, but it looks quite different. So this is our generation, and this is what it was in the Ideogram website. Let's try another one. Let's try the Smooth Brain Club. I'm gonna click on the prompt. Gonna copy the prompt. Gonna go back to Ideogram. Gonna paste the prompt. Oh wait, this is not a magic prompt. Let's try it like that. Let's see what actually happens. Oh, this is interesting. Image blocked by safety filter. Let's do another test. Let's do something else. Sorry, I lied earlier. I told you guys that was the last test, but I just want to do one more. And this is a pretty cool image. There's a magic prompt. That's what we're going to copy. And we're going back to Coffee UI. I'm going to paste the prompt here. And actually, let me go back to that image. What's the resolution for this one? So it's a 3x4, 1728 by 2304. You can see also this rendering attributes as quality. Do we have that in Comfy? Mode. Oh, let's try quality. And aspect ratio, I think it was a 3x4. Do we have 3x4 here? Let's run it. That is done. It took a lot longer than the usual. So past generations, there were around 30 seconds, right? This took around 66 seconds. The quality is so good. My goodness. Let me open it up in full screen. So this is our generation, right? So detailed. Oh my God. And if we go back to, let me check the forehead. So there's this character in the forehead. Is it captured there? Oops. Not quite, but we can always rerun it again. We can always run it again to make sure that we get exactly what we want. But for this testing video, I think it shows just how good this model is. Insane. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm blown away by this model. Thank you, Ideogram, for making it open source. And if you like stuff like this, please subscribe to the channel. If you want me to cover more stuff, just leave a comment, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and bye-bye.